Let's see a practice test based on this. First one, 60 minutes make blank hour. Here, the word hour starts with the consonant letter H, but it is giving vowel sound. That's why we can use article an before it. Okay, now the answer is an. Why? Even though it starts with the consonant letter, but it is giving the vowel sound, so we can use article an before the word hour. So the answer is an hour. 60 minutes make an hour. Let's see the next one. I have written dash article for our college magazine. Okay, let's see the options. An, a, the, no article. In this sentence, the word article, okay, it is giving vowel sound. That's why we can use article an before the word. So, the sentence is, I have written an article for our college magazine. Let's see third one. Dash, Ganga is a holy river. Here, Ganga denotes the name of a river. Okay, that's why before the names of rivers, we can use article the. The Ganga is a holy river. Next one, there is dash elephant in the zoo. Here, elephant. In this word, the first letter it is giving vowel sound. That's why we can use article an. Finally, the answer is there is an elephant in the zoo. Next one, there is dash vacancy in the office. Here we can use the word a, the letter a. Why? It is a singular countable noun. Before singular countable nouns, we can use article a. So the answer is there is a vacancy in the office. We'll see the next sentence. Dash window is made of wood. Here we are particularly saying about window which is made of wood. That's why we can use article the. It shows the particularity. Finally, the sentence is the window is made of wood. Coffee is dash drink. In this sentence, we can use article a before the word drink. As drink is a singular countable noun, that's why we can use article a before the word drink. Coffee is a drink. Okay, let's see the next question. Telugu is dash musical language. Here, the word musical language is a countable noun. That's why we use article a before the word. We can say the sentence, Telugu is a musical language. Next one, Sri Lanka is dash island. Here, island. The first letter starts with, in this word, the first letter is I. It is a vowel. That's why we can say Sri Lanka is an island. Okay, the next one, Burma is dash Eng Parsi. Here, Parsi is a noun and Eng is an adjective. Article is used before an adjective. As it is Parsi is a countable noun, that's why we can use article a before the word. Finally, the sentence, Burma is a Eng Parsi. Next one, dash cow is worshipped in India. Here, in this sentence, cow is, we are referring to particularly one cow. That's why we can say that the cow is worshipped in India. Okay, here we use article the. It is definite article. When we want to refer something Particularly, we can use this definite article the. Okay, let's see the next one. Krishna Shastri is called dash Andhra Shelli. Okay, here Krishna Shastri is a Telugu poet. He is compared to the award. Okay, is given to him. What is the award? Andhra Shelli award is given to him. Okay, that's why we can use article the before awards. We can use article the definite article. Finally, the sentence we can say Krishna Shastri is called the Andhra Shelli. Okay, next one. Venkati is dash industrious boy. Here in this sentence, industrious, the word it is giving the vowel sound. That's why we can say Venkati is an industrious boy. Okay, see the next one. Chandragupta was dash Mauryan emperor. Here, Mauryan emperor is a singular countable noun. That's why we can use article a before it. Then we can say the sentence Chandragupta was a Mauryan emperor. Let's see the next question. Frank is dash American, but Robinson is a European. Okay, here American. In this word, the letter A, the starting letter A is an vowel and it is giving vowel sound. That's why we can use article an. Finally, the answer is Frank is an American, but Robinson is a European. Let's see the next one. Sanskrit is dash difficult language. Okay, here difficult language, it is a countable noun. Language is a countable noun and difficult is an adjective. Okay, before countable nouns we can use article a. That's why the answer is Sanskrit is a difficult language. He went without dash umbrella. Here umbrella is a countable noun. It is giving U is giving vowel sound. That's why the answer is an. He went without an umbrella. She is dash honest woman. Here the word honest H is silent. It is giving vowel sound. That's why we use article an. She is an honest woman. Krishna got dash best award. Here best is in superlative form. That's why before superlative adjectives we must use article the. So answer is Krishna got the best award. Next one, dash moon shines well. Here we use definite article the. Particularly we are saying about moon. That's why we can use definite article the. Then the answer is the moon shines well. She took dash dozen of apples. Here dozen of apples is countable noun. That's why we use article a before it. Then the answer is she took a dozen of apples. What dash beautiful flower it is. Here beautiful flower, it is a countable noun. That's why we use article a before it. Then finally the sentence is what a beautiful flower it is. We play tennis in dash evenings. Here we are particularly mentioning about the time, evening time. That's why we can use article the. We play tennis in the evenings. Next one, dash sun radiates heat. Here we are mentioning about sun. Okay, that's why we use definite article the. Then the answer is the. We can say the sun radiates heat. He is dash unknown person. Here it is a countable noun, and the word unknown, it starts with vowel and it is giving vowel sound. That's why we can use article and before it. Then the sentence is he is an unknown person. Walk to dash left. Here particularly we are mentioning direction left. That's why we can use article the. Now the sentence is walk to the left. Iron is dash useful metal. Here in this sentence the word useful starts with the vowel U, but it is giving consonant sound. That's why we can say iron is a useful metal. The sentence is iron is a useful metal. Dash Bible is a holy book. Here Bible is the name of a holy book. Before the names of holy books, we use definite article the. The Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. That way we can use article the before the names of holy books. Okay, here answer is the. The Bible is a holy book. My father returned after dash hour. Okay, here the letter H is silent. That's why it is giving vowel sound. So we can use article an. My father returned after an hour. Mount Everest is dash highest peak. Here highest is in superlative degree. That's why we can use article the before it. Okay, now the answer is Mount Everest is the highest peak. He is dash BTech. Here BTech is a singular countable noun. That's why we can use a. He is a BTech. Means his qualification is BTech. Mr. Prabhakar is dash university student. Here the word university starts with the letter vowel, but it is giving consonant sound. That's why we can use a. Mr. Prabhakar is a university student. Where there is a will, there is dash way. Here way is a singular countable noun. That's why we can use article a before it. The sentence is where there is a will, there is a way. They could not catch dash last bus. Here we are particularly mentioning about last bus. That's why we can use article the. Now we can say the sentence as they could not catch the last bus. Dash friend in need is a friend indeed. Here friend is a singular countable noun, so we can use article a before it. Then the sentence is a friend in need is a friend indeed. I like to play dash chess. Here we should not use any article before the word, so we can say I like to play chess. The answer is no article. Next one, the eggs are sold by dash dozen. Here dozen is a countable noun, that's why we can use article a before it. Then the sentence is the eggs are sold by a dozen. What dash beautiful flower it is. Here flower is a countable noun. That's why we can use article a before it. Then the sentence is What a beautiful flower it is. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet with another topic in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.